Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our social technology book for grade 3 and we will do the lesson number 6. Topic is festivals and we have to open page number 10. Okay, festivals. What do you know about festivals? Festivals are events, special days which we celebrate. Okay, for example, Eid, 14 August, and so many other festivals we celebrate. Bakra Eid, okay, and Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Adha, we call it. Okay, now let's start the reading section. Festivals are special days. They are usually celebrations of special events that happened in the past. There is a wide variety of festivals. Some are cultural, such as Basant. Others are religious, such as Eid ul-Fitr. Okay, some are cultural festivals and some of them are religious festivals. Festivals are usually associated with special foods and clothes. We wear special clothes and we also eat some special foods on festivals. Most festivals have some kind of decorations as well. We also do the decoration. For example, on Eid Miladun Nabi we decorate our homes with lights, and on 14 August we use the flag and so many other ornaments to decorate our houses. Festivals are not the only event that are celebrated. Apart from all these, there are also national holidays that every country celebrate to mark a special occasion in their history. The National Day of Pakistan includes Independence Day, Pakistan Day and Quaid-e-Azam Day. Okay, we also celebrate these national days. For example, Independence Day, 14 August, Pakistan Day, 23rd March, and Quaid-e-Azam Day. Okay, we also celebrate these national holidays. Okay, do you know when is Quaid-e-Azam Day celebrated? It's 25th December. Okay. Okay, we are Muslims celebrate, as we are Muslims, we celebrate three different festivals: Eid ul-Fitr, Eid ul-Adha, and Eid Miladun Nabi. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated to mark the end of Ramadan. Everybody dresses up and exchange Eid greetings. Sweets are prepared and dinner parties are held with relatives. Children often receive gifts as well. Okay, we receive Eid. Okay, next is Eid ul-Adha. Is celebrated to honor the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Animals are sacrificed in the name of Allah and the meat is distributed among the community with a special portion left for the poor. Eid Miladun Nabi is the celebration of the birth of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is celebrated on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal with great joy. All these three are the religious festivals which we celebrate. Okay, Pakistan is also home to people of other religions such as Christianity and Hinduism. They have religious festivals of their own such as Easter and Christmas for Christians and Holi and Diwali for Hindus. In all the different religions, there are different festivals that they celebrate. We can see that festivals are an important part of social life. Festivals create a sense of community and belonging among people as they provide opportunities to socialize and are a great source of fun as well. These festivals help us to communicate with each other, with our family, with our friends, with our companions, and we spend a good time with them. Now let's see the activity. Match the festivals of their to their correct type. National festivals, which one is Pakistan Day? Muslim festival, Eid ul-Fitr. Cultural festival, Basant. Christian festival, that is Christmas. Okay, which festival do you most enjoy and why? Give a description of the festival and what you do when it happens. Okay, you have to write in your own words about your favorite festival and what you do on that day. Okay, there's another activity. Research about any festival of your choice. Paste a picture about it and describe what it is called, when, why does it happen, and are any special preparations made for it. Okay, you have to choose any festival which you want to write or draw a picture. Okay, you have to do this activity also. Okay kids, in case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school's contact number. We will address your queries there. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.